Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see the JavaScript topic variables. So here we will see what are the variables in JavaScript, what are the different types, how do we declare the variable and how we initialize the variable. We will see one example for that also. So starting with what is variable. So variable as a it is same for all the languages. Variables are used to store the data or the value in our program. So storing the value in variable is also called as variable initialization. But before we use the variable in JavaScript, you must declare it. So declaration should be there before using it. There are some rule we follow while using the JavaScript variable. That one is that the name should start with letters and underscore or dollar sign. And the first letter we can use it should start with letters. After first letter, we can use the digits, but the variable name should not start with digits. And JavaScript variables are case sensitive, so we must be cautious while using the small or capital letters while declaring the variable. You should not use any JavaScript reserve keywords. There are reserve keywords for the JavaScript also. We should not use that to declare a variables. So these are some of the rules we use while declaring the JavaScript variable. So there are two different types of variables in JavaScript. One is the local variable, other one is global variable. So local variables are declared inside a block or function, and they are accessible within the function or block only. So we cannot access the local variable outside that function or a block. So here one example is given. This is for the function and this is for the block. So here in this script we have one function test in which we have declared this variable. Variable name is x and it is initialized to the value 10. So here this variable is declared and initialized within the function. So that variable scope is within the function only. We cannot use this variable outside the function. Same as for this block, if block is there, so this variable y is equal to 20 is declared and initialized within this if block only. So we cannot use this variable y outside this block. So that's why it is called the local variables. It means they are using or their scope is only local for that function or block. The next is JavaScript global variables. So JavaScript global variable is accessible from any function or variable that is declared outside the function or declared with window object is known as global variable. As the name suggests, it is global to every function or every block in that script. Okay, so here one example is given where we have this variable where data is equal to 20, it is initialized, and then I am using this data variable in this function test1 as well as in function test2. So this variable data is we can use in multiple functions or blocks also. That's why it is called global variable. So this is one of the example for that. So there are different ways to declare a JavaScript variable. There are four different ways I have given here. Using var keyword, using late keyword, using const keyword, and using nothing. Means no keyword is used here. So these examples are given here. This is using var keyword, where var is a declaration keyword for the variable and x is a variable name is equal to 5. This is initialization. Same for late keyword. Late x is equal to 5. Late is a keyword where x is a variable name is equal to 5. It is initialization. And same here const keyword, and the x is a variable name and which is initialized to 5. And here we have not used any keyword here. So without using any keyword also we can declare and initialize the variable. So when to use JavaScript var keyword? So we always declare JavaScript variables with var, late or const keyword as I said. And the var keyword is used in all JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015. After 2015, late and const keyword also added in JavaScript. If you want to use or run your code in old browser, then you must use this var keyword. Then when to use JavaScript let keyword. So in JavaScript, let is a keyword that is used to declare a block scoped variable. So if we declare any variable with let keyword, that variable is only accessible within that particular block only. That's when we use the let keyword. Next is when to use JavaScript constant keyword. So const keyword, as the name suggests, it means constant keyword. So when we declare and initialize the variable using const keyword, that value for that variable is constant. So whenever you want some variable as a with constant value, you can use this keyword. So here one example is given, const x is equal to 5. So the value of this x is equal to 5 value, which will be the constant throughout the program. So x and y, these two variables declared with const keyword, and let this is variable. This variable value will be changed in the future, but these two values will be constant. So that's when we use the const keyword to declare a variable. The next is what are the different Java identifiers. So all JavaScript variable must be identified with unique names, and these unique names are called identifiers. So JavaScript identifiers are case sensitive as the JavaScript variable, and identifiers can be short names like XY or the most descriptive names like age, sum, total, volume. There are some general rules for constructing names for variables or unique identifiers, which I have shown at the beginning of the video. So these are the same rules we have for identifiers also, because all variables are identifiers. So this is it for this video. The next video which we have um, is based on the JavaScript operators. So this is also a very important one. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.